Chief, as we committed, I'm here with our chair for APRO and our APRO bicameral members.
Hi, Chief Romy.
Please kindly convey to the entire AFP, to our men and women in uniform, that as we committed, that the subsistence daily allowance from 150 to 350 has not only been affirmed, but has been approved and it's being signed right now. We will ratify the bicameral report this afternoon. So please tell them that whatever they heard, that's all fake news. Basta nagsalita tayo when we speak. I as the speaker and the House, when we speak, we mean it and we will always deliver. You are top priority here. Please tell them in the AFP, top priority po kayo. And we are fully committed to support all of you and to keep your morale high and to always take care of you. Please convey that. Mabuhay ang AFP. Mabuhay kayo lahat. Okay.